Thinking about a career in web design or digital marketing?
In this video, you'll learn about careers in design and new media. New media refers to the use of digital communication techniques using social channels, marketing automation, email, and sales strategy. New media is not IT. Information technology refers to the hardware and servers used to make your network function. Social media marketing is very closely related to graphic design and the psychology of behavior, whereas information technology is more focused on the behind the scenes mathematical principles that make networks function. Let's take another look at those skills that are important to be successful in any industry.
By the end of this video, you'll know the top 3 steps you can take today to start moving your career forward. Stick around. According to a survey of national HR directors, the most sought after skill across a wide range of industries
Is communication.
having the ability to effectively communicate both in person and in writing is so important. Even more important than the specific degree that you hold. So, with that in mind, the most important thing you can do today, right now, is to practice communication. How exactly do you do that? Believe it or not, school is your best opportunity to practice. I mean, think about it. When was the last time your teacher gave you an assignment and said, you have 10 minutes to stand in front of the class and present whatever you found in your report? Imagine all eyes are on you and you're reading from a script. Most of the time, as a student, you assume that because it's earlier in your career, you might not be presenting to a large audience filled with 500 or 1,000 people, but you very well could be presenting to a small group of 3 or 5 clients. And ultimately, your ability to communicate effectively is what generates revenue for your business.
The next slide reflects where jobs are located in the US and a general idea of what you can expect to earn over your lifetime. Some examples of jobs in the design industry are user interface designer, game designer, multimedia animator, mobile designer, package designer, and web designer. Social media marketing jobs also fall into the category of new media design.
My name is Kate Murray. I spent the first 10 years of my career working in corporate marketing for a Fortune 500 company. Then, in 2006, I founded Vogue Media, a digital agency that specializes in website design and digital marketing for both small companies as well as large corporations. If you are a Governor Mifflin High School student and you're excited to learn about careers in the digital media industry, make sure you type the words Mustang Nation in the comments below. Step number 2, create your own online portfolio. Having your own online portfolio is critical to showcase not only your creative work, but also your online resume.
Having a paper resume is a great start, but to stay ahead of your competition in this industry, you're also going to need a website or a blog that includes SEO optimized words and phrases that will get your resume found with the software that HR directors use to search for candidates online.
In the comments below, you'll find a link to look up your name as a URL, as well as a step-by-step instruction guide on how to get started.
Focus on both your achievements as well as how you plan to add value to the company. Bonus points to you if you can get your point across using a story that connects your approach to the company's mission. Pay careful attention to your social media and how you conduct yourself online. Ensure that your vanity URLs use your real name. For LinkedIn in particular, be sure that each section is filled out truthfully and thoroughly. And remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Which one of these do you think is the most appropriate?
Step 3, figure out what it is about the creative industry that you actually really love to do, whether it's visual design or writing or even video editing. One of my favorite quotes is by the late Steve Jobs, At a commencement speech that he gave in 2005 at Stanford University, he said the only way to be truly satisfied with your work is to love what you do. So you've got to figure out what you love and then choose the Adobe apps that will help you learn that skill. So if you want to be a graphic designer, learn Adobe Illustrator. If you want to be a video editor, learn Final Cut Pro. And if you want to be a web designer, learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to post them in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on my best tips for a career in digital media. Thanks for watching. See you next time.